Let's start at the top of the enterprise, where the most important and impactful decisions get made. Meet Jillian, the CMO of our company. Jillian wants to be more customer-focused, and she wants to create a more integrated customer experience. And for both, she's convinced that digital is critical. Based on that, she decides to grow digital marketing budgets by 10%, double the size of the mobile program, because mobile is so important these days, and focus on Net Promoter Score, NPS, to drive customer-first thinking. Good decisions? Maybe. But whether you think these are good decisions or not, there's a lot wrong with the way these decisions are getting made. And not only will that make for some bad decisions longer term, it's going to impact the way these decisions get implemented in the rest of the organization. Here's what I see wrong with the way most senior folks are making decisions in the digital channel. First, gut rules. Why a 10% budget increase? Why double mobile? There's no strategic framework driving these decisions, no data helping Jillian estimate what the right amount is. The single most important decision she's making, how much money and effort to invest in key areas, is entirely done by gut. Jillian's KPI decisions aren't good either. NPS is a fine metric for some purposes, but in digital, it can be challenging. First, it's not a great customer-first metric. It's a you-first metric. It's about scoreboard, whether the customer would recommend you, not what the customer wants, needs, or thinks. Second, it's a metric with a strong brand halo. If you're trying to measure whether you just delivered a good customer experience, NPS is actually a pretty poor measure. Too often, what it measures is your overall brand strength. Well, that's really what it's for, not whether you just served your customers well. Finally, when used in the online channel, NPS can be very vulnerable to sampling mistakes. In the digital world, every time you change your marketing spend, improve your search engine optimization, or adjust your site or application functionality, you change your sample. Your NPS score can go up or down with all of those changes. And when you use it as a digital KPI, that's often what you're measuring, not whether you're actually serving your customers better. Finally, Jillian's talking customer first, but she's not using customer data to drive any of her decisions. I often see senior folks who treat analytics the way politicians treat virtue, something that's good for everyone else. Analytics can't make strategic decisions, but it darn well should inform them. And the key to good decisions at the strategic level is robust analytics around customers and their journey. If top decision makers aren't constantly using and communicating their decisions based on customer journey mapping, robust audience segmentation, and deep and constant voice of customer research, then you're doing it wrong. In the next video, I'll talk about how these decisions at the C-suite level get translated one level down where digital channel management gets done.